Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Aline, and today I came here because I would really like to talk to you guys about the Quietum Plus supplement, all right? So if you guys are doing your research and you want to get to know more about the Quietum Plus, then you've come to the correct video, because throughout this whole video I will be sharing a lot of info with you guys. Also, I have some very important alerts that I think that you should know before you make your purchase, just so you don't have any regrets afterwards, and most importantly, so you don't throw your money away. So let's get to the bottom of what the Quietum Plus really is, all right guys? And since I am here to help you guys out, I just want to point out that I will be leaving the link to its official website just below this video in the description box, all right? You guys must keep in mind that it is only sold on their official website. That's like the only place on the internet where you can get the original Quietum Plus from. So just so you guys don't have any regrets afterwards, please make sure you are on the official website before you hit that purchase button. All right? So guys, for those of you who don't know, Quietum Plus is actually a dietary supplement formulated to treat hearing problems, including conditions such as tinnitus. So when taken consistently, this supplement improves cognitive processes, allowing them to become faster while supporting your hearing, reducing your stress, and providing a healthy inflammatory response to brain issue. So as you can see, Quietum Plus is here to help you out with many benefits, right? Quietum Plus is absorbed by the central nervous system, and it works by improving hearing and enriching brain cells. So in addition, the supplement improves the functions of the hearing system and reduces the effects of hearing loss. And this supplement works in 4 main steps, all right? So if you suffer from that ringing noise in your ear and you really don't know how to get rid of it anymore, then really Quietum Plus can help you out. All right, guys. So I went to the official website and I was actually reading people's feedbacks over there. You guys can read their feedbacks on the official website, all right? And let me just tell you that by far, all the feedbacks have been positive. So people have only good things to say about the Quietum Plus. And not only that, guys, but you must also know this. The Quietum Plus actually offers you a 60-day money-back guarantee. What that means is that from the first day of your purchase, you have 60 days to test out this product. So after 60 days, if you realize that it's not for you, you don't like it, or you couldn't adapt to it, you simply need to go to the official website, contact the support team, and they will help you get a full refund back, all right? So that is just to show you that yes, they are here to help you and you can have your money back if you don't like it, or also to show you that they are so confident in this formula that it will work and that you won't need a refund. But there is a however, all right? Here is something very important for you guys. Once you start taking Quietum Plus, you must remember that you need to take it every single day. So your body needs time to adapt to it, all right? Because it is natural. So you need to take it every single day and be patient with your results. They will come, but you also got to do your part, all right? Don't skip out on any days. Otherwise, it will take much longer for you to start seeing results, guys. And yes, Quietum Plus is approved by the FDA and GMP certified, so it is very trustworthy. And since its ingredients are completely natural, there are no contradictions or side effects. So its ingredients contain things like vitamins and minerals and herb extracts. It is completely safe, all right, guys? If you wish to know more about the Quietum Plus, then visit the official website just below this video here. And who knows, maybe even make your very own purchase, all right? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Stay safe and have a great day.